Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Ranger 363V Restoration. This is part 13 of the series, and today we're going to be working on the console of the boat, particularly trying to figure out what the wiring does and what's going on. This is where I kind of kicked myself in the butt for not testing things before I took everything out, because then at least I would know what switches worked or didn't work. I'm not really sure if that's true or not. But we're going to be focusing on getting the console tore down in order to figure all this out. And as you're about to see, this was probably the hardest thing I had to do in this whole boat, was taking the stupid steering wheel off. So without further ado, let's get into it.
One eternity later.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I literally spent probably 4 to 5 hours trying to remove that stupid steering wheel, and I just didn't want to modify any of my tools to take it off, but that's what I ended up having to do, as you can see here. And then, I'm going to remake this console panel, and it'll be really cool to find this type of plasticky material. So if anybody knows what this stuff is called, please let me know in the comments down below. But here's all the nuts and bolts I took out to take off this this is the bane of my existence right now. I just want to. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And there might not be a video next week because my wife is due with a baby. But until next week, guys, see you then.